Hi there, welcome to NZ Electronics Repair. So today I got this MacBook M1 2020 model, and today I will go to show you how you can replace the power button on your MacBook if it's not working or broken. So grab yourself a P5 screwdriver and remove these 10 P5 screws from the back panel. After that, grab yourself a suction cup and lift the back cover. So this is the battery for this MacBook. There is a lock like this, you have to pull it up. And that's how you can disconnect the battery. You have to remove this audio board. It has 3 screws. This one is T3 and these are T4. 6 screws for the Touch ID. You have to use a T3 screwdriver for them. And then you can just put it outside like this on the back side. Yeah. So that's how you can replace the power button on a MacBook A2337. If you're looking to replace your power button, you can come to NZ Electronics Repair and we can replace it in just 30 minutes.